Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Oxford Learning. Today I am here with an amazing video and I'm sure it will help you to prepare your examination. This is just for the midterm examination and everything I have added in it, all the questions, and I'm going to tell you the technique. How can you prepare so many questions from a chapter? This is also helpful for the teachers and students. So the first thing is, let's see the title of this video. It's a smart preparation of the midterm examination 2021, and this is my first video on the smart preparation. I'm going to start the series as I have uploaded so many series on the different topics, because education is really the most vast field, and you can add everything in education because everything around us is education. We learn from environment, we learn from trees, we learn from nature, we learn from the behaviors, and we learn from everything around us. Life is also the part and the journey of to, to get something, to acquire something, and the journey towards the knowledge. So that's why I always try to do something different for the students. So this presentation is for the class 6. It's about Microsoft Word, and I'm going to upload more videos before midterm, inshallah ta'ala. So let's move ahead and check what is in it exactly. Is computer science by me, and chapter number 5, and the name of this chapter is Microsoft Word. So I'm going to toward the question answers, how we can prepare the questions from the chapter. And I'm sure you will get 100% marks after this series of computer, because I am going to cover all the concepts. It's not the cramming. You can find out so many questions from your chapters, and if you have the 2 or 3 books, if you know the technique how to make the question statements, you can do everything. And in this way, you can get many more other things by the help of your computer and by the help of your book. So class 6, let's ready. Here is a chapter Microsoft Word, is chapter number 5, and this chapter is included in the midterm examination, so I'm going to cover it, and we have rest of the chapter to add, and I will inshallah upload everything related to the computer science. So the first question is with the pioneer of MS Word. The first thing, sorry, I forgot to add the pictures. You can find out the pictures of the persons who are the pioneer of Microsoft, because it's really important to explain about the topic of the chapter, the first thing. And I have seen that many people don't explain the topic of the chapter, because I always prefer the topic is important. If you explain everything in the heading of the 2 words of the chapter, like MS, we should explain the MS. What is MS? MS is a Microsoft is an organization, and who is the pioneer of MS Word? Here is a MS Word, but I am talking about the Microsoft. So the 2 persons, Bill Gates and Paul Allen. This is the question number 1. We have done it, so we move ahead. Next question is, what is meant by the word component in Word? We are using the word component. Components are the parts, are the pieces, are the objects. But in Microsoft Word, parts of MS Window are called components, mean the different things, different tools, menus, and everything is included component. Here you can see the picture, and the highlighted area defines the components. The page, the document where you write something, the toolbar you use to insert something, and then on the side you can see the titles, and you can see the caption bar, and then you can see the ruler as well. So these all are the component of your Microsoft Word window. And the next question number 3 is, what is the function of title bar panel? Here it shows the name of the document. Panel mean the complete bar where you can see the name of the document. Like if we are using Microsoft Word, the name of the Microsoft Word document is document, and you are using the page number 1, then document number 1, we are working on it. Here is a picture. It defines exploring the Word program. Here you can see so many things related to the MS Word component, and the click here, the quick access bar means directly by clicking on it you can get so many options and you can apply it. The ribbons are here. You can disappear the ribbons and rulers, everything by using this bar. The ruler defines the setting of your page and it appears on the top and the left or right. You can see status bar. Status bar tells the condition of the page, means which page or which area you are using right now, and it shows the page number as well. And then window document mean where you write something, where you type something is your window document. The title bar displays, as I told you, it displays the document name and the program name. Scroll bar is used to move the page up and down and right and left. View button, here you can see the view button means how many types of views you can apply on the page. Here is the view button. So we move ahead. It's a question number 4. What is ribbon main menu? And the answer is the area from you get most of the helping tools to create a document. Helping tools are available in the Microsoft Word and in the toolbar, like in the form of menu, and under the menu you can see so many tools. Here is a example. Here you can see all the ribbons of main menu. Main menus are very important to do and to apply all the actions on the Microsoft Word. So that's why this is an important part of your window. It's not present in your Microsoft Word only. It is available in all your other components of the Microsoft Word, like your Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, Access, database in Outlook, Express, all the programs related to the Microsoft. We move ahead to the question number 5. What is document area? As I told you, the document is a Microsoft Word page where you write something. जहाँ पे आप कुछ लिखते हैं, like जहाँ पे हम type करते हैं. The main page of the MS Word where we type something like this. Here is a page. Here you can see the cursor. Here is the cursor is a position where you can write something. So this is a document header and document area. You can see you can write something on it, whatever you want to do. Next question is question number 6. It's a what is ruler in MS Word? As I told you, I have shown you in the picture that what is ruler, but I tell you again. MS Word has ruler to set the margins of the page as you apply in your notebooks. Margin to make it beautiful and to make it proper lines, to adjust the spaces left and right, up and down, everything is called your margin. So we don't start our page from the very top of the page copy, top of the notebook or top of the paper. We always use from the by leaving the space, and after that we start writing, and from the left and right the same case we apply with the left and right. So the ruler is here you can see the ruler. From the ruler bar you can adjust that I tell you through the practicals how I have opened the Microsoft Word for you. So here is a Microsoft Word and the ruler is this one, and you can change here like this. So ruler is the theme. यहाँ से हम change कर सकते हैं. हमने देखिए यहाँ पर पेज का size कहाँ पर चला गया है. This is the function, basic function of ruler, and if you want to change the position of your one line, you can apply the ruler like this. Here ये देखिए only one line. Same thing we apply with this, and by dragging the mouse over the ruler you can just adjust your styles as well. So the next thing is this is the definition of ruler. I have told you about it and we have done the practical as well. So next question number 7, what is a page number? Why we need page number? Page number define the working area on which page we are working. हम किस पेज पे काम कर रहे हैं, हमारा नंबर क्या, how many pages and we are using in a single document. So page number define करता है कि if we have 10 pages, हमें अगर 7 पे काम कर रहे हैं तो it defines that we are working on the page number 7. आपके पास total 10 page and you are working on the page number 7. It tells you the total number of pages and current page number like this. यहाँ पे आपके पास एक ऑप्शन है और अगर आपने you want to move from the page from the bottom to top, you can use all these things like page numbers. It defines to move your page, move between your pages, like एक पेज से आपने दूसरे पे मूव करना है तो पेज नंबर आपकी हेल्प करता है, आप उससे मूव कर सकते हैं. What is zoom option? As you know very well, zoom is always used to show the things bigger and smaller. Zoom in and out, we have two options. By zoom in, you can just maximize the objects and you can minimize the object. Minimize mean to make the size shorter or smaller by using the zoom out, or you can adjust the normal size as well. So here look the definition: to make the things bigger and smaller, like magnifier. As we use the magnifying glass to see the little objects, the same case as with the zoom option in all programs, not only in Microsoft Word but in so many programs we use the zoom option. So this is the function of zoom, and here is the zoom option is present. Let's see how do it works. Here you can see the zoom option, and open the Microsoft Word and see and click on the view option. Here you can see the zoom option. You can just adjust zoom 100, okay, like this, and you can increase or decrease the size of zoom according to your need. This option provides you to minimize or maximize your documents. And here an other option, one page. If you want to display the zoom option in one page, just one page will be appeared, and 2 pages and page width, right, like this. It shows at the bigger than all other 2 options. So this is available in the view menu, and when you click on the view menu like review view, you can get the zoom option from this bar. The next option is next question. Let's move ahead toward the new question. What is meant by the creating document is so simple. You can write down in your own words. Sometimes we don't find the exact definitions, and here I tried hard to make the simple word in the form of a line or in the form of answer in a proper sentence. So to take new page and type something like story, application, and article, what you want to add in the Microsoft Word is called your creating document. Like if you insert a single image, then it's you are creating document. Whatever you are going to do in the Microsoft Word by using the Word page, this is called your Word document. So we move ahead. Here you can see the example, because Microsoft Word 2007 beta 2, here is a complete article about the Microsoft Word. This is called creating document because they have added so many things with the help of you can say headings and different text, and they had defined the headings by changing the color of text. And here this is a complete document, and you can see the setting of the paragraph, alignment of the paragraph, and adjustment as well. Everything is equal and to the point and accurate. So this is called your creating document. Question number 10 is how many important components are used to create a document? There are so many components, but a normal document, to create a normal document, which components we use to do? Cut, copy, paste, edit, add, delete, and applying backspaces. As you know, these all are the practical. Cut mean I am going to tell you through the practical. Let's see. Cut, copy, paste, edit, add, and delete. Let's see. Do we have something like this? Something like picture, or Here I have a Microsoft Word page and we apply everything on it. So the first thing is cut. The most important thing, selection. If we don't select the text, we can't apply anything else. So I drag mouse over the line, or I click this line. I select only this line and I apply cut option. Right click. Cut and paste work together. Before telling you the copy cut, I must tell you that cut and copy without paste, they cannot be completed, or you can say they cannot work properly. Cut mean I have cutted, the text is disappeared from the one screen and I paste somewhere else by pressing Ctrl plus V, and here you can see the same text is displayed here. Okay, but through the copy, the difference is the copy option and the text is present here, and we can paste it at the bottom as well. Now we have the two things, but through the cut you can just when you cut it, the text will be disappeared from the first place and it will be displayed on the second place by pressing the Control V option. So this is the difference. Text will remain on the both locations by using copy option, but text will disappear from the first location by using the cut option. And paste is, as you know, paste is necessary. So this is the function of cut, copy and paste. And here is editing. Editing means you have something and you want to change, like I am writing learning, we are learning. This is editing. I have changed something in it, and if I apply the writing style, size and color, this is called your formatting, because you to changing the appearance and look of the document is called your formatting. And to change something in document means to change. If you have some ready-made documents, you want to change something, this is called your editing. Here is editing is the final look of your document, means you finalize the any document, you apply editing. And formatting you can apply on any pages, like before editing you can apply the formatting, but editing is the finalized look of your document. So what is font? Let's see the next question. What is meant by font? All the people are really confused about the font. Font means the writing, the words, everything is called font. Now, when you add the word font style, it means if you want to change the appearance of your text you are written on in the screen on the page, you can change it. Font means only words. So font is a simple writing and text like Pakistan, book, and notebook. These are the examples. These are the fonts. So when you apply something on these texts, like you change the language, you change the styles, everything is called your font style, not only font. But font provides so many options. It increases the sizes of text. It applies the different languages, different styles of text. So this is a definition. Here you can see the font. This is a font dialog box. Here are so many sizes: font styles, grow font, shrink font color, font dialog launcher. Here is a complete font dialog launcher. Here you can see so many options related to font, but the font is only writing. So this is, I think it's clear now. So we move ahead to the question number 2. What is document area? As I have told you about the document area, but again I'm going to tell you about the document area, because this is the most important question. Microsoft Word, the main page of the Microsoft Word where we type something, is called your document area, and this is the document area as I told you earlier in the previous question. So move ahead. What is the term adding in Microsoft Word? We always use add something in Microsoft Word, add text in Microsoft Word, add picture. What is the meaning of this term adding? To write or type something in Microsoft Word is called adding, like this. Here you are typing something, where your cursor is moving and you are typing something is called adding something in documents. How do we delete text in Microsoft Word? There are so many methods to delete text in Microsoft Word, but we use the delete key and backspace key. But there is a little bit difference between the functionalities of these two words. The first thing is move the cursor right after the last character of the text. Here, define the function of backspace key in Microsoft Word. What is the function of backspace key? Backspace key is also used to delete the text, but it deletes one by one. Like it moves backward, it deletes one by one your text. So that's this is the function. Backspace key deletes one character at a time. One character means one alphabet. And how do we delete more than one text at a time? If you have a paragraph and you want to remove it, you want to add something else, then we use delete at one text is called. So let's move toward the answer. How do we delete more than one text? It's a method to select the text. Highlight, select all text and press delete key or press the backspace key once. Like if you want to delete all the text, the first thing is you just write something. I tell you through the practical. Here we choose, like if you want to delete all, press Ctrl plus A. After selecting, you can press the backspace key and you can choose the delete key. The both keys will function the same and you can delete everything from the page. So this is the method how you can delete the text at once by selecting it. By pressing Ctrl A, you can select everything, press delete or backspace key. Your text will be disappeared from your screen. And the next question is, let's see the next question. Why do we use spacebar key? Spacebar key has the important functions, and you can say this is the most important key because without spacebar key, we are unable to understand what we are writing. So, but everyone knows about it, that what is the function of spacebar key, but it's really difficult sometimes to explain the definition or to write the sentence about a simplest thing. Like if I say what is meant by the document, you are unable to write the answer at once, but you know the answer actually in your mind, and you can do it, you can show, but you don't have the proper lines and proper sentences to define the thing. So that's why, as the same case with the spacebar, here you can see the spacebar is used to add single space between the text. We use spacebar, as you know very well about it. So next question, number 19. Why do we use enter key? Enter key is the most important key in all programs where we write something and where we give the commands to things. So that's why enter key, the function of enter key, to add new line, we press enter. Means if you are writing something and you want to go to the next line, we press enter and you can move to the next line. Question number 20. Why do we use tab key? This is the most important thing because when you create documents, you need tab key to adjust the spaces between the text. First of all, we see the definition. To add more than one spaces between the word, we use tab key. Let's do the practical of tab, usage of tab. How do we apply the tab key to adjust the paragraph and spacing between the text? Here you can see the random text, and if you want to arrange everything equally, we apply tab. Click here, click on the first of the text and press tab. You can see 1 and 2 tab, right? And here we apply 1 and 2 tab, and we can apply on all the writing 2 tabs, and you can adjust the writing like here 1 2 3, and this one 1 2 and 3. You can adjust the, in this way you can adjust the spacing or the setting of the paragraph equally, like without एनी मेजरमेंट, किसी भी चीज़ से मेजर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी, आपकी बिल्कुल इक्वली लाइन आएगी। हमने ये 3 टैब्स दे दिए हैं कि हमने हर डॉक्यूमेंट में जितनी भी लाइंस हैं उनको 3 टैब्स दिए हैं, तो इक्वली आएगा सबका, लाइक दिस हेयर। ये इस तरीके से आप देख सकते हैं कि इट्स रियली इक्वल। यहाँ पे थोड़ा डिस्टेंस ज़्यादा था, तो आई थिंक हमें थोड़ा सा इसको एडजस्ट करने की ज़रूरत होगी। हम इसको एडजस्ट करेंगे थ्रू space. So this is the way to apply tab, and अभी आपको पता चल गया होगा इसका कि what is the function of tab. If you are going to create a document and you are writing 3 or 4 pages and you want to set the margin, you can say, or you can say that you can give the equal spaces to all the lines. We just add the tab spacing. Through tab spacing, it provides the equal format and equal line space adjustment. Now again the thing is define the copy option. Why do we apply the copy option? To add duplicate or more text without typing instead of writing. As I told you that you can just select the text, copy the text and paste somewhere else many times without typing. You can use this option. So copy option helps you save your time always, and it provides the option to make more things without effort. What is the method to select all text? As I told you, it's Control plus A, and simple way is a Control plus A, and other way, if you want to select the text one by one, or you want to select a line, you just move the cursor over the text and you can select the selected area, required area. But if you want to select the whole document, you have many documents in Microsoft Word, many pages, you can do it by using Control plus A. So this is the complete method. Let's move ahead. Question number 23. What is the method to select a few words? As I told you, by dragging the mouse over the text is your method. Let's do the practical about it. Like this, just drag the mouse over the text, or by pressing space and arrow keys you can select the required text. आपको इतना सा चाहिए, इसी की आप अपने कुछ अप्लाई करना है, you can just select it. You can change the color, everything you can apply after selecting. So selection by dragging over the specific line or specific text, you can apply it. So this is the way to set everything like this. This is the method to select the specific. And what is the method to select a few words? Copy the text. Selection for to copy the text. Sorry, it is wrong statement. What is the method to select a few words to copy the text? So as I told you, you can select it by dragging over the mouse over the text. You can select everything and the required text. You can choose the few text and you can choose the few lines as well. This is the method. Select the text and then right click, choose the copy from the drop down list and press Ctrl C. The shortcut key to copy the text is Ctrl C, and to question number 4, how do we paste the text after copying? If you copy, as I told you, copy, cut and paste are essential for each other. If you don't, if you copy the text and don't paste it, then it's not means कि आपको इसका कोई भी फायदा नहीं होगा. You can't apply anything if you can't apply the paste option. Then you don't need to copy the text from somewhere and cut the text as well. So choose the place where you want to paste it. Like if you have copied, you need a place where you want to paste it by pressing Ctrl plus V, or right click, choose the paste from the drop down list. The first method is the shortcut key. After copying, you press Ctrl plus V and you can paste the thing where you want to paste, and choose paste from the drop down list as well. This is the complete method, because we have menu as well and we have the shortcut key as well. So from where we get the font option, format menu, You can choose the format menu. You can find out the font dialog box. From the font dialog box, as we discussed in the previous question, that font is just a writing, and a font dialog box provides you so many facilities to apply style, size, and color. You can increase or decrease the size of text, and you can just change the writing style, and you can change the color of text according to your choice. Question number 26. How the format toolbar change the appearance of a document. Appearance means the look of your document, look of your text. फॉर्मेट जो बार है हमारी वो बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है. इसमें ये है कि हमारी फॉर्मेटिंग की बहुत सारी ऑप्शंस आती हैं जिनके थ्रू आप कम्प्लीटली यू कैन चेंज द लुक एंड अपीयरेंस ऑफ योर डॉक्यूमेंट. बहुत खूबसूरत बना सकते हैं इसको, प्रोफेशनल लुक दे सकते हैं, चेंजेस द फॉन्ट एंड कंप्लीट लुक ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट एंड मेक इट प्रोफेशनल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ फॉन्ट ऑप्शन. मीन जहाँ से आप फॉन्ट ऑप्शन लेते हैं उस बॉक्स का नेम क्या है. Font group list, and it is a drop down list. Group means because we have many options, not one option, so that's why we say always say the font group option, because it provides you the color, size, style, everything in highlighter. So that's why this is called the font group. Here is the font group. It tells another shortcut to change the font style. Here is also the quick, you can say quick option. By clicking on it, you can change the font style without your bars, without applying the drop-down lists app. By using the shortcut icons, and these shortcut icons are called the font group. Which icon is used to change the font color in MS Word? This is the icon color. For color, A is automatic theme colors, so you can choose it. More colors भी choose कर सकते हैं, but you can change from this dialog box and this menu drop down list, you can say. And an A sign on the formatting toolbar. By using this sign you can change the colors. Question number 30. What is the function of clear all formatting button? But means you have applied so many formattings, like you have applied the color, you have applied the writing style, you have increased the size of text. But if you want to go back toward the real condition कि जहाँ से आपने text को लिया था, like आप बिल्कुल चाहते हैं कि वो वैसा हो जाए, उसके ऊपर जितनी भी आपने formatting apply की है वो तमाम formatting clear हो जाए, तो you use this option. Clear. It is located on the home tab. It clears all the formatting at once. Here. यहाँ पे आपको नज़र आ रहा होगा, एंड यहाँ पे जो रेड हाईलाइट किया हुआ बॉक्स है, select everything and click on that bar. आपका जो टेक्स्ट होगा वो दोबारा से उसी कंडीशन में वापस आ जाएगा जहाँ से आपने लिया था. So, question number 31. कैन वी चेंज द लैंग्वेज इन MS वर्ड. इस पे मैं एक वीडियो बनाने जा रही हूँ. एक्चुअली अभी तो मैं आपको सिंपल क्वेश्चन बता रही हूँ. इसका आंसर, द लेटेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ द MS वर्ड प्रोवाइड्स द फैसिलिटी टू चेंज द राइटिंग. पहले ये चीज़ नहीं थी. नाउ यू कैन टाइप उर्दू इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड. एंड हाउ कैन यू टाइप उर्दू? आई एम गोइंग टू मेक अनदर वीडियो फॉर दिस. What is the default language in keyboard? Default mean जो पहले से मौजूद होता है. Default language is English, but we can change it into any other language. 33. What is the name of default keyboard setting? जो पहले से कीबोर्ड की सेटिंग होती है, means the layout of keyboard, उसका नेम क्या होता है? QWERTY keyboard. Here is QWERTY. QWERTY इस कीबोर्ड का फॉर्मेट है जो हमारे पास यूज हो रहा है, means physical keyboard. And then what is the name of the default keyboard setting? I have to again आ गया ये वाला question. And then method to save a file. Add something in the Microsoft Word document. Click on save option. A dialog box will be appeared. Choose the file name and click on the save option. This is the method to save a file. Why do we use the save as option? If we have save option, then why do we use the save as option? Because save as option saves the file with many names. Like आपकी फाइल सिंगल है, आपके पास एक सिंगल फाइल है, आप उसको काफ़ी सारी जगहों पे बहुत सारे अदर नेम्स के साथ सेव करना चाहते हैं, तो सेव एज के ऑप्शन को हम यूज़ करते हैं उसके लिए. We use save as option to save a single file with many names. हाउ डू वी प्रिंट सेव्ड डॉक्यूमेंट? हमारे पास एक डॉक्यूमेंट सेव्ड है, हाउ कैन वी प्रिंट इट? Take a print. Attach your printer with your laptop or computer if the printer is installed, क्योंकि हर एक डिवाइस को आपको कंप्यूटर के साथ लगा के उसको इंस्टॉल करना पड़ता है, बिकॉज कंप्यूटर इज़ अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर. तो सॉफ्टवेयर एक अगर हार्डवेयर न्यू अटैच कर रहे हैं तो यू नीड टू ऐड द सॉफ्टवेयर एज वेल. सो हेयर if we are using the printer, we need to install printer. If the printer is installed, then no problem, you just open the document and open save document, press Ctrl plus P से करेंगे हम इसको प्रिंट एंड सेट द मार्जिन कि आपको एक ही पेज चाहिए. वो प्रिंटिंग पे जब हम काम करेंगे तो मैं उसमें मज़ीद आपको बताऊंगी कि प्रिंटिंग की भी काम. डिफाइन द स्पेलिंग एंड ग्रामर ऑप्शन. एज वी ऑल नो दैट Microsoft Word provides us a facility to change the wrong word with the correct word. It has inbuilt dictionary. Inbuilt का मतलब है कि पहले से मौजूद डिक्शनरी हमारे पास मौजूद है. Microsoft Word has built-in dictionary. It corrects the wrong word automatically, but it doesn't change only the wrong word with the correct word, but it provides so many other options in Microsoft Word dictionary. So we do it. I explain it in details कि इसमें और क्या क्या होता है इसकी डिक्शनरी में. Here is a question: which options are available in spelling and grammar option? It's a question number 38. So these things are available. Add new words, मतलब कि अगर आप new word add करना चाहते हैं, in fact इसकी मैं डिटेल आपको in question number 39 में बताऊंगी. Add new word, and the next one is ignore and ignore all and autocorrect. ये options मौजूद होती हैं. And here is a question number 39. Define the following options in spelling and grammar. Add to dictionary means if the word is new. When you type something, और अगर आपको लगता है कि किसी वर्ड के नीचे या बहुत सारे वर्ड्स के नीचे एक लाइन आ रही है रेड कलर में, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता कि योर वर्ड इज़ रॉन्ग. इसका मतलब ये भी हो सकता है कि द वर्ड इज़ न्यू फॉर द डिक्शनरी, मतलब कि वो लफ्ज़ आपकी डिक्शनरी में ऐड नहीं है. सो वी ऐड दैट वर्ड by using the add dictionary. Add to dictionary to add new word in dictionary. And ignore का मतलब ये होता है कि you don't want to change. जैसे कि हम अगर बात करें कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज एंड इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की, बहुत सारे वर्ड, there are so many words are changed and computer terminologies by spelling and in English language. लैंग्वेज में चेंज होते हैं और कंप्यूटर में उसकी टर्म चेंज होती है. टर्म नहीं कह सकते हम, स्पेलिंग कह सकते हैं. जैसे कि एक वर्ड है कलर, COLOR, हम हमेशा कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज में यूज़ करते हैं, बट इफ़ वी यूज़ एन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज देन वी यूज़ COLOUR. बट इफ़ यू राइट COLOUR इन कंप्यूटर तो वो आपको लाइन शो करेगा जबकि वो वर्ड राइट होगा. हमने एक इंग्लिश का आर्टिकल लिखना है तो हम इंग्लिश के वर्ड्स को इंग्लिश के तौर पे ही यूज़ करेंगे, नॉट इन द टर्म ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस. सो हम उसको इग्नोर करना चाहते हैं. वी डोंट वांट टू ऐड दैट वर्ड इन डिक्शनरी, बट उसको चाहते हैं कि उसके नीचे से लाइन जो है वो ख़त्म हो जाए. एट द टाइम वी यूज़ इग्नोर ऑप्शन. उसके जो एक वर्ड है उसके नीचे से जो लाइन होगी वो ख़त्म हो जाएगी. बट इग्नोर ऑल मीन्स इफ़ यू हैव सो मेनी वर्ड्स लाइक दिस कि इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जिनको हम कंप्यूटर की टर्म में यूज़ नहीं करना चाहते, बट हम उसको यूज़ करना चाहते हैं ओनली फॉर द इंग्लिश आर्टिकल, तो हम उसको चेंज नहीं करना चाहते. और लेकिन रेड लाइन को भी हम देखना नहीं चाहते, तो वी क्लिक ऑन इग्नोर ऑल एंड यू कैन डिसअपियर ऑल द रेड लाइन्स एंड यू कैन मेक योर टेक्स्ट क्लियर. ऑटो करेक्ट ऑप्शन जो होती है वो ऑटोमेटिकली आपके वर्ड को करेक्ट कर देती है. इफ़ द वर्ड इज़ रॉन्ग then we just type the word and press the space. Word की spelling automatically correct कर देता है. So this is the function of auto built-in dictionary in computer in Microsoft Word. Then question number 40. Explain the method to add image in a Microsoft Word document. ये मैं आपको अभी I'm going to tell you the procedure, लेकिन इसके साथ मैं आपको बताने भी जा रही हूँ कि हम कैसे करते हैं. हम प्रैक्टिकल भी करेंगे इसके. Click on the insert menu, then choose the picture option. We will find a picture option on the insert menu. Browse picture from your system. अपने system से picture को ढूंढिए and then click on text wrapping and adjust by applying the font of the text. Text wrapping पे click कीजिए और adjust करें उसको. टेक्स्ट रैपिंग पे जब हम क्लिक करते हैं तो हमें बहुत सारी ऑप्शंस मिलती हैं, लाइक आप इस टेक्स्ट को फ्रंट पे लाना चाहते हैं, बैक पे लाना चाहते हैं या कहीं और एडजस्ट करना चाहते हैं, यू कैन चूज टेक्स्ट फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट रैपिंग ऑप्शन। एंड इसके बाद नेक्स्ट थी एडजस्ट द पिक्चर एंड सी द प्रैक्टिकल। लेट्स सी हाउ वी कैन एडजस्ट द पिक्चर। मुझे एक पिक्चर को इंसर्ट करना है तो क्लिक ऑन इंसर्ट मेन्यू, यहाँ पे मैं क्लिक करूँगी और उसके बाद आई विल फाइंड आउट, ये देखें ये पिक्चर के ऑप्शन है, यू जस्ट क्लिक हेयर एंड चूज़ द पिक्चर। लाइक मैं डेस्कटॉप पे चली जाती हूँ, आई हैव आई थिंक मैनी पिक्चर्स, मुझे यहाँ पे या फिर मैं बैक पे जाती हूँ, मुझे कोई और फोल्डर चूज़ करती हूँ तो मुझे यहाँ एक पिक्चर मिल रही है, दिस वन, आई इंसर्ट इट। ये मैंने पिक्चर यहाँ पे इंसर्ट कर दी है। मुझे अगर टेक्स्ट के साथ पिक्चर इंसर्ट करनी है तो मुझे क्या करना है, इसको जैसे ही मैं इस पर क्लिक करती हूँ, आप देखिए बहुत सारे मेथड्स होते हैं हमारे पास पिक्चर को बहुत अट्रैक्टिव बनाने के लिए, अपने डॉक्यूमेंट को डिफरेंट बनाने के लिए। आपको नज़र आ रही है ये वाली ऑप्शंस। अब मैं अगर इन पे क्लिक करती हूँ तो आपकी पिक्चर की शेप वही हो जाएगी जैसे ये है। आई ऑलवेज अप्लाई दिस, ये फेडेड टाइप की जो है मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है तो मैं उसको अप्लाई कर देती हूँ। और इसके बाद अगर मुझे सर्कल में चाहिए तो ये हो जाएगा। इसके अलावा आई हैव मैनी अदर शेप्स, ये भी शेप है मेरे पास, यहाँ से भी है, यहाँ से भी है, ये वाली एंड दिस वन एज। तो मुझे अगर चूज़ करनी है इनमें से, और ये सर्कल में भी है, लाइक इस तरह से अगर मैं करती हूँ तो ये वाली पिक्चर ऐसे आ जाएगी। अब यहाँ टेक्स्ट रैपिंग की ऑप्शन फ़ौरन से डिस्प्ले हो जाती है आपके सामने व्हेन यू इंसर्ट द पिक्चर। यहाँ बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती हैं आपके पास, ये देखिए इस तरह से स्क्वायर में आ गई आपके पास पिक्चर। अब आप पिक्चर को कहीं भी मूव कर सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग ऑल दिस टाइट। ये टाइट में आपके पास राइटिंग भी सेंटर में आ रही है और उसी के ऊपर पिक्चर भी आ रही है। बिहाइंड द टेक्स्ट, टेक्स्ट के पीछे पिक्चर आ जाएगी, आगे टेक्स्ट लिख सकते हैं, इन फ्रंट ऑफ टेक्स्ट टेक्स्ट डिसअपियर हो जाएगा और आपकी पिक्चर प्रोमिनेंट हो जाएगी। तो दिस इज़ द टेक्स्ट रैपिंग ऑप्शन, यू कैन एडजस्ट योर इमेज एंड यू कैन मूव। और टेक्स्ट रैपिंग के बगैर आप अपने इमेज को प्रॉपरली रीसाइज नहीं कर सकते, आप इसको मूव नहीं कर सकते। सो वी यूज़ दिस ऑप्शन, इस तरह से हम इसको ये कर सकते हैं, राइट हेयर। ये हमारे पास मेथड है, हम इस तरीके से जो है वो कोई भी पिक्चर इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं थ्रू द इंसर्ट मेन्यू। और शेप्स भी कर सकते हैं, शेप्स हम यहाँ से लेते हैं, देखते हैं कि शेप का हमने नेक्स्ट में प्रैक्टिकल ऐड किया है या नहीं, लेकिन मैं आपको बता देती हूँ। यू कैन ऐड शेप्स लाइक दिस, कोई भी शेप ऐड करें और इसके अंदर राइट क्लिक, सॉरी सेलेक्ट द शेप, राइट क्लिक, ऐड टेक्स्ट। नाउ यू कैन राइट एनीथिंग, पाकिस्तान, यू कैन राइट डाउन पाकिस्तान हियर, ओके। ये आपका वर्ड भी इसके अंदर ऐड हो जाएगा। अब देखिए पाकिस्तान इज़ द करेक्ट वर्ड बट अंडरलाइन कर रहा है बिकॉज दिस वर्ड इज़ नॉट एडेड इन द डिक्शनरी, सो वी इग्नोर इट, हेयर इज़ पाकिस्तान। इस तरह से हम शेप के अंदर भी जो है ना वो ऐड कर सकते हैं, बट यू ऑलवेज टेक द थिंग्स फ्रॉम द इंसर्ट ऑप्शन। यहाँ पर राइट क्लिक एंड ऐड पाक, विदाउट दिस ऑप्शन यू कांट, here is a park, ignore this one। तो ये हमारा मेथड है, पिक्चर भी इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं। और एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मेनी वेज वी यूज टू इंसर्ट इमेज इन वर्ड। कहाँ कहाँ से आप जो है वो इमेज को इसमें ले सकते हैं वर्ड में। सो द फर्स्ट मेथड इज we have totally three methods to insert picture and image, sorry, there are three ways to insert image. Number one is from your computer. If you have downloaded something in your computer, you can add. Number two is from online resources, means you can directly take from the websites. And number three is the from screenshot, means if you have taken the screenshots from your mobile phone and your computer or laptop, then you can add those pictures as well. So we have three ways to insert an image in a Word document. Question number 42 is what is the meaning of term modification in MS Word. We normally and usually we use the word modification for the computer terminologies, and this is a very common word we use it. Modify mean to change something, means if you have something in your Microsoft Word and you want to change it according to your choice and need, then that this is called modification. To apply something, some changes in Microsoft Word document is called modification. So this is the proper definition of modification. Question number 43. What is added custom heading option? This is the thing when you have something like a paragraph and you want to apply the heading style on it, and heading styles are available in Microsoft Word. To change the heading style, we apply custom heading option. These options will be appeared on the heading option. I show you how. Let's see किस तरह से हम कर सकते हैं इसको. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं when you click on the home button you can see so many heading options. यहाँ पे normal heading है, फिर आपके पास space heading है, ये heading है, here is a heading, and there are many other styles are available when you click. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी सारे styles heading के मौजूद हैं. तो this is called custom heading option, और इसको आप ले सकते हैं home button से and you can choose anything. मैंने अभी ये सेलेक्ट किया तो ये मेरे पास ये हेडिंग की ऑप्शन है. यहाँ पर ये बहुत सारी हेडिंग की ऑप्शन है कि आप किस फॉर्मेट में यू वांट टू अप्लाई इट, तो यू कैन चूज फ्रॉम दिस वन. दिस इज heading, custom heading. The next question is, let's see what's the next question. It takes time because what are the description, objects and actions? Descriptions mean to write something in detail. Let's like we have a picture description हम solve करते हैं Microsoft Word English. तो आपको एक पिक्चर दी जाती है, you have to describe all the aspects of picture, what is exactly in it. Objects mean something useful for your program, like a one thing, like object, and actions are like what you are going to do is action. Here is a proper definition. These things describe and explain all the aspect of the story, because we are going to solve the Alice story and we are doing work on it. So that's why we always talk about the stories, because Alice is presenting his story. Our computer name is Alice and it is going to present everything related to its all parts. So these things describe and explain all the things, and these are just not an options. These are the words we commonly use in Microsoft Word. So description mean to detail something, object mean a tool, and the action mean what you are going to do. Then define the paragraph indentation. We have this question in our exercise as well. Adding or removing blank spaces to separate text from the left or right margin. Here you can see the indentation option. ये आपकी home के अंदर मौजूद होती है. When you click on it, bullets and numbering के साथ आपकी ये option मौजूद है. You just click indent right or indent left. This option you can apply to make your document perfect. Where the indent button is located, from the home tab you can choose it and you can apply it, do your practicals. So this is all. This is exactly not all, but it's almost we have done this chapter. Next video में इंशाल्लाह ताला I will tell you about rest of the documents, rest of the options and question answer related to your exercise. कि आपके पास आपके online notes आ जाएंगे. Whenever you want to prepare your computer paper, you just log on and you just open my channel link and get all the notes from this channel. So उसके लिए just keep watching Oxford Learning. You will get many more things from this channel. Thank you so very much. Stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.